Hi GC Queens, welcome back again to the GC family. If you are new here, hello, my name is Estelle. So today I'm going to be doing a full face black owned makeup brand. So if you want to see how I achieve this gorgeous eye face makeup, stick around and let's do this together. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and join the family. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, let's get straight into this video. As we all know, we all matters. Black lives matters. So thank you once again for clicking this video. And yeah, so my brows is already halfway done. I'm going to go in with the Juvia's Place concealer. I'm going to use that to clean off my brows. So I'm using the same concealer in the shade 11 to prime my eyelid. I'm going to go in with my Beauty Bakery setting powder in cassava. Because this concealer is on the watery side, that's why I'm setting my eyelid. So now it's time for the eyes. I'm going to be playing with this. I'm going to be using the Magic Palette by Juvia's Place. I'm going to be using the Saharan 2 palette, and I'll use the Nubian 2 palette. So each of them, I have one shade I want to pick from them. I just hope that what I have in my head comes out good. So I'm going to start out using this shade called Nana. I'm going to go in with this emerald green here. It's called Ajar. Using that same brush, I'm going to go into this shade from the Nubian 2 palette. It's called Egypt. So I'm going into this shade here. It's called I don't know about this shade right here, please. So going back to this color because we lost it, I'm going to place it again. Kind of feeling this look. Feeling it, and feeling it. So now I'm going to go back to the very first shade we used. Like I'm just doing a reverse because all those colors keep going out. So I'm going to dip in here very well. I'm going to go in with this Beauty Bakery Lollipop black liner. I'm going to use that to draw a tiny bit of line. I'm going to go in with my Pro Filter Hydrating Primer from Fenty. I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place foundation. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer in the shade 11. I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Cream Contour in chocolate. So to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Beauty Bakery in cassava. To bring back color to my face, I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty in Mocha Mami. Going back to Juvia's Place palette, I'm going to use this shade here to define my nose. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Cream Blush in Crush on Cupid. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this Fenty highlighter in All Over Diamond Veil. I guess that's what it's called. So I'm going to use this Beauty Bakery lipstick in Bastani Eyes. So guys, I'm going to go and put on my lashes, then do my bottom line, come back, spray my face, and finish up my lips. Stay with me. I'm back. So I used this color here under my eyes, and I went in with this color right here to blend it in. So for my lips, I'm going to go in with this shade, this dark brown here, because I don't have any lip liner. So I'm going to go into this Fenty gloss in Fenty Glow. I'm going in with this Fenty refreshing makeup spray. I'm going to use that on my face. What is that? My juicy queens, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Yes, I know I went extra, but like I just wanted to see what is like bold eye. And so today, for my black queens out there, for my gorgeous juicy queens out there, I decided to create this look. Black life matters, black is beautiful, black is bold, and black is everything. So this is for you all out there. Let's be bold, let's feel beautiful, and let's feel gorgeous. We matter, okay? Yes, and if you're not subscribed, like, subscribe, okay? Subscribe. Let's get this family growing. We are growing already, and I would love to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, click the subscribe button, and hit the bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. As always, I love you guys so much, my juicy queens. See you again in the next juicy content.